I'm not very sure this is the best way. Here we have all our things. This I can wash, that is metal. Yes, there are plastic bashing, but I don't need them. Yes, I throw. Then metal bashing, yeah, this one I can wash with this very strong alkaline liquid, the one they use to clean the floor with those machine, the rolling machine with water. And this is super fantastic to clean metal, not aluminum or aluminium as you say. A little bit of water, not too much, about 50%. And you can see that the liquid is black, is working. And metal becomes shining. Okay. Be careful with your hand. I don't use gloves by now. It's better to use gloves. These are better than nothing. And this is one. And we can leave it here as long as we want. The longer you leave, look at this, the better it returns. Okay. Just a little bit more. I call this liquid alcaforte in Italian, that in English could be alkaline, strong. Alka strong, yes. One. Aluminium, gentle. And I have this that already show you. I don't know if you can find. This is fantastic for plastic, super fantastic for plastic, but also with aluminium it works without making it black. Here there are also these two springs that they are black, and with this liquid I have to reburn them again, so I want just to wash them. And here you can see that the soap becomes black and aluminium super shining. And there's also a good smell of the reaction. Don't leave it too long, just the time to take the black surface away from aluminum. Fantastic. Then water, and you stop the reaction. Here there are almost plastic parts, so generously I buy this on Amazon, Italian Amazon obviously, but perhaps you can have it. It's fantastic. So this is super. Then water. I don't submerge it in order not to have a too weak liquid with too much water. I make this, then I return in a half an hour and turn all the pieces. And this movement is good because, okay, because yes, you can understand why the movement is good. And these we can leave for 1 day. This not so long. To me, they are clean enough. So, in order not to lose here in this workshop I don't have water. Perhaps you understood this. Super shining, super clean. I go upstairs where I can find water. And here we are. They are new, like out from the box. Now there are some little adjustments like this. Maybe it is glue. Don't scrape, but try to melt it with something. One. For tires I can use this and also kitchen soap, as it's better to wash them into the kitchen sink. I will use the kitchen soap. And this I don't show you. I think you are clever enough to imagine the way to clean with this kitchen soap. This horrible. This is very dangerous because it makes bubbles and it will take a long time, perhaps the whole weekend. Okay, here we have bubbles. It works, and we just leave it here and return back to see what happens. Here I can see that it's already working. There's a little place where it is, whoa, bubbles. Okay, danger. This is danger, really danger. This is not danger, but on your hands you can lose a little bit of skin, nothing terrible. And you can see how black is it, and under the color of the metal parts. Fantastic. When I have finished with the frame, I will put there also the wheels. This will leave for a while. This has to be dried. And this one, this is grease. And for grease you can use gasoline. It's very good. Or trielina, I don't know. But there's also another product that is, to me, is very, very good. And it is something made for the house cleaning. And it is this one. Here in Italy, and I think in Europe, this is very famous. Born for the house, but also the engine of a car returns new. It's not so powerful. Be careful with painted parts. If you have a white fridge and you spray a little bit and it goes down where this liquid pass, the fridge became super white, and after it's very difficult to make it all white in the same way. So be careful with painted parts. These are not painted, these are full of grease, old grease, and this is the real. Okay, this is born for this. I put also a little bit also here in. Well, this is all. I will leave it here for 1 hour. When I would like, I return back and see what happens. The more you leave, the better it is. You give time to the chemical part to work. This remains black, of course, no problem. Look at this, new, the color of the wires, fantastic, super fantastic. Better to change gloves. All washed, somewhere scraped just to eliminate old glue or rust. These pieces need some little care more, like this here, but overall they are okay. Now I have to wait for the frame. I have to fix these. Tires are clean. Here there's a writing that I don't know if I want to preserve. I have to decide. Then I have to use silicone grease for tires in order to feed them. And the body, it's another work. But by now the work is started and these are the first steps. Thank you very much for watching. Comment, like and subscribe as you want. And up to the next. Maybe I will take a pause in August. Maybe one more video, then vacation. I have to stop and to refresh my mind. And when we start again, perhaps we can continue a little bit with this one. This is a very long story.